There you have it, folks. My depiction of a butterfly. Yeah. You know, like the butterfly antennas. You know, they're like Wi-Fi signals. And if you look at the butterfly's antenna to the very top and the tip, there's like a little curvature. It kind of curve like a what's curved like? It's like a slightly bent spoon or a golf club. You know, they're used for signals. They call it the remarkable butterfly antennas. They use these supposedly biological Wi-Fi signals for navigating. They find their way to find food, or they locate each other, or connect with each other.